Oton is the first-class municipality in province of Iloilo, located in the western Visayas region of the Philippines. It's part of the Metro Iloilo-Guimaras area, situated about 11 kilometers west of Iloilo City, known as the Banuang Panganay of Western Visayas. Oton is recognized as the second oldest Spanish settlement in the Philippines after Cebu. The municipality serves as commercial, cultural, and historical hub due to its rich heritage, agricultural productivity, and proximity to the Iloilo City. Before the arrival of Spanish colonizer, Oton, known as Ogtong, was already thriving Malay settlement and trading port along the Bachano River. It was part of ancient Majaas Confederation under Dato Paiborong with its seat of government located in Catagman. In 1569, Fray Martin de Rada, an Augustinian friar, arrived from Cebu to preach Christianity, establishing the first church in the Philippines dedicated to the Immaculate Conception in Oton. On May 3, 1572, Oton was officially accepted as a pueblo and became one of the earliest centers of Spanish governance and religion in the country. It also became the capital of province of Oton, covering the islands of Panay, Negros, Guimaras, Tablas, Sibuyan, and parts of Romblon. Founded 1566. Formally established as a pueblo on May 3, 1572. Founder, Fray Martin de Rada. Original Spanish administrator, Don Miguel de la Orca, former name Ogtong. Oton establishment marked the spread of Christianity in Spanish administration across Panay Island, making it an important note in early Philippine colonial history. According to the 2024 Philippine Statistics Authority census, Oton has a population of 99,920 people, making it the most populous municipality in both Iloilo Province and Panay Island. The town's land area is approximately 86.44 kilometers, with a population density about 1,200 inhabitants per square kilometer. Oton is composed of 37 barangays with Abilay Norte, Buray, Trapiche, Cagbang, and Poblacion South being the most populated based on the 2020 census data. About 52% reside in rural areas and 48 in urban barangays. The predominant languages are Hiligaynon and Kinaraya, reflecting the cultural diversity of Western and Eastern Oton. The population is predominantly Roman Catholic with 2 parishes, the Immaculate Conception Parish in the town proper and the Santa Monica Parish in Barangay Santa Monica. Oton lies on southern coastline of Iloilo Province, bordered by Tigbawan, San Miguel, Pabia, and Iloilo City. In the Sulu Sea, its topography ranges from flat coastal plain and rolling hills, with fertile soil ideal for agriculture. The total land area of municipality is 8,644 hectares, categorized mainly as agricultural, residential, and industrial. The municipal's climate is type 1, with dry month of December to June and wet months from July to November, ideal for growing rice, corn, and watermelon. Fray Martin de Rada, an Augustinian friar credited as the founder of Oton and one of the first missionaries to introduce Christianity in Panay. He built the first church dedicated to Immaculate Conception in 1570. Dato Paiborong, a legendary Malay chieftain and ruler of the ancient settlement of Katipunan, known for his role in confederation of Majajas and local governance during the pre-colonial era. Don Miguel de la Orca, a Spanish encomendero who oversaw Oton during early colonial period and chronicled much of his early history. Catagman Festival, held annually in late April to early May. It highlights Oton's pre-colonial roots and the discovery of the Golden Death Mask, an artifact found in Barangay San Antonio during the 1960s that symbolized the town's Asian prosperity. Sandia Festival, celebrated to honor local watermelon farmers, recognizing Oton as one of the Iloilo's leading watermelon producers. Oton is known for its Hardaway Hablon fabric, capiz shells, seafood industries, and Nang Palang's Bokopat. These local products reflect both skills in agricultural abundance.